Hello guys, and welcome again to another video of TradingMind. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, and don't forget to like this video and share with your friends if you want to. So today we're gonna do some tradings on the real market. So we are in 5 p.m. So we will do some tradings in this session. So it's about the New York and London. It will be closed soon. So we will be doing some trades on binary. So we will continue our progress on the practice account. So we have almost 45 pairs of real market with 88% of payout. So we're gonna use the amount of $6. So using our MindBot, our trading tool, the robot of iqoption that we made. So I will show you the interface. So as you can see, guys, and you know it. So I will insert my login and password. I will log in into my account. So if you don't have an iqoption account, so you can get an iqoption account with the link in the description. You can sign up using our link. So I will set the value, trade value of 6. The stop loss I will set to 20. And the stop win I will go for 15. Yeah. Okay. Once everything is done here, I will go for authentication. So we are, and the balance is same as our account. So we click OK. We are connected. So I will go for the calendar to check out the calendar. So we have 5 p.m. So we have some USD here already released. So in BRL, Brazilian currency, we have USD, but the impact is low. So it will not affect the market. So we have in 2 hours, we have medium impact. So let's see. So our trading history over here. So the robot is scanning the pairs and the starting time has been started the bot, and we will wait until he find a trade. So let's wait. As you guys can see, we have detected our first trade on USD CAD. So it's a put operation into the binary options. So waiting for the entry. So I will check. So it will be now. So the price has been deduced and the signal was sent from here. So initiating the operation and the $6 shot is made. So we have the shot appearing here. So we have our trade is going here. So we are in top. So our bot made our first trade, and I hope the best for this one. So let's wait until this trade to finish and let's see the result. So 30 seconds left for our trade, and it's going very deep into the ITM side. So we will gonna have our first win trade. As you can see, guys, is very good. So if you want to join our community and check our members using our robot, so the MindBot, so you can join our Telegram group to see how it goes and everything. So the link will be in description, so don't forget to join our group. So as you can see, guys, we have our first trade is a winning shot and 100% winning ratio. So in the trading history, we have our first trade. in green, so highlighted in green. So I'm gonna wait the second trade, so I hope the best for it. So our second trade is detected. So in Australian dollar on Canadian dollar call and the MindBot one into the binary. So I will select the Australian dollar and here we go. So the trade will goes here with a call. So as you can see, it's a good opportunity for a call. It's kind of reversal. Our trading robot uses its own strategy, so you don't have anything to add or to worry about. So you're gonna have a good strategy inside, so you can watch it trade itself. And let's see what this trade gonna have as a result. So guys, 30 seconds left for our trade, so it's going good in the winning side. So we hope the best for this trade to finish because it's kind of making a retracement. But we have trust on our robot, so it's gonna be a good one. So as you can guys see, it's a winning shot again. Our second shot is a winning, as you guys can see. So we have a total of $10.44 as a profit, and we have a winning ratio 100%, and the second one is good one. So as you can see, we have two highlighted trades in green, and it's good. So the third one, if we hit the third one, we're gonna have our stop winning level hit, and let's see what we have. So we're gonna wait our third shot to appear, and so as you can guys see, it's very fast. It didn't take so much time to appear. So we have a shot on the GBP CAD with a call operation into the binary. So I will go for another tab. So our trade will appear here on 32 seconds. So the operation is a call, and our strategy one of the MindBot. So as you can see, the type of operation is binary. So let's see. So our shot will appear right now. As you guys see, it's been placed. Great placement here. As you can see, it's going very good, and we hope the best for this trade. So once this trade will finish, this trading robot will close automatically, and our session will be finished. So we hope the best for this one, and let's wait the results. So don't forget guys to join our Telegram group, the link in description, and let's discuss there and join the big community of MindBot. As you guys can see, there is 30 seconds left for our trade, almost 20 seconds, and our trade is going not very bad. We hope the best for this one. So as you guys can see, it's going good, and the robot will close right now on this expiration time. So it's gonna appear here and it will close right now. As we hit our take profit, we made $15 with this session. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a quick session, $15 made so quickly. And I hope you guys find this content interesting. Don't forget to join our Telegram group and see you guys on the next session. Bye bye.